Dave wants to own a home, but how does Dave buy a home? There are a few options. Option 1, be rich.
I really want my own place.
If you want the house, just buy it.
Oh, okay.
Your card was declined.
Option 2, inherit Dave's parents' house. Dave's parents have a house, but Dave's parents are still alive, and taking them out would be financially unwise.
What? I was just kidding.
Option 3, Dave gets a loan from the bank. This is called a mortgage. A mortgage is a loan banks give to people so they can buy a house. People then pay back the bank in small amounts over time, usually 15 to 30 years. So, since Dave isn't rich and Dave's parents are still alive, Dave decides to get a mortgage. But the bank won't give loans to just anyone.
What do you think this is? The 1920s?
They first have to check if Dave can actually pay back the loan. Dave needs a stable job, a good credit score, and enough dollars for a deposit. A deposit is usually about 10 to 20% of the total price. It's a show of good faith and proof Dave has at least some dollars. So if the house costs $1 million, Dave needs about $100,000 up front. Then, if everything looks good, the bank pre-approves Dave for a mortgage. Pre-approval means Dave is now legally allowed to go window shopping for houses. So Dave looks around the housing market. Some houses look great, but are in awful locations. Some are in great locations, but look like a haunted toaster. Eventually, Dave finds the house. The one, the expensive one. Dave makes an offer. Other people make offers too. Sometimes, if enough people want the same house, there's an auction. That's a public event where everyone aggressively yells numbers. The auctioneer starts.
The starting bid is $400,000. Do I hear 400,000? 400,000, 450,000, 475,000, 500,000.
Then people start losing their minds. Sold to the emotionally unstable guy in the back. But most of the time, there's no auction. Dave just makes an offer, and the seller either accepts or doesn't.
Would you take $999,999?
Deal.
Dave signs a mountain of paperwork and gets the keys. Now Dave just has to pay back the money over the next 30 years, plus interest. Interest is the money you pay for the privilege of borrowing money. The bank offers Dave either a fixed interest rate or an adjustable one. A fixed rate stays the same forever, like Dave's emotional attachment to this house. An adjustable rate goes up and down, like Dave's blood pressure during tax season. If the bank trusts Dave, he gets a lower interest rate. If not, Dave pays the "we're nervous about you" tax. There are also fees, so many fees. Application fee, appraisal fee, inspection fee, origination fee, credit report fee, title search, title insurance, lawyer fees, recording fees, transfer tax, mortgage insurance, closing costs. But it's fine because Dave has a house now. Pros and cons of mortgages. Mortgages let people buy houses they could never afford up front. You can split the cost over decades instead of crying immediately. You can apply a loan with a partner, a friend, or someone you met 4 minutes ago, as long as both of you have money and emotional stability. Pay on time, and your credit score goes up. Your house might go up in value. You might even make money one day. But you're in debt for decades. You'll pay way more than the house originally cost. And if you stop paying, the bank takes the house back. So yeah, buying a house is great. It's just mildly terrifying. Let's look at the housing market too.